Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of the new Kaiju Predator from the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Kaiju Predator, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back up like a check mark. Next, let's draw a line that's going to go down and then up here to kind of shape out the eye. Next, I'm going to bring a little line down, and then we'll add another little line right under here. Then let's bring this line up, and then we're going to bring it back here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down here, kind of at an angle, and it's going to go right here above the eye. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line over to here, and then I'm going to bring it up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to leave a little bit of space and then bring it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to come right up to here, and then we're going to come down just a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And then we'll make a little line that's just going to come out, and then we're going to go down again. I'm going to bring this line in, and then I'm just going to make some little bumps right across here. Then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line right down here. We're going to bring this over and then up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, leave some space, then bring it up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, leave some space, and then bring it over here. And then right across here, I'm going to make some little broken lines. Next, right here, I'm going to draw this line and kind of curve it up to here. And then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to bring it down a little bit. I'm going to bring this out and in. Then I'll make one more. It's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to come down and around, and then bring it up. I'll make some broken lines here, and a little line here. Make a little line here. And then a line right over here too. They'll make a little line that goes over and kind of curves down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then one more here. And this will be kind of like the basic shape of the skull. Now, starting right about here, we're going to start with the mouth of this kind of like ape creature. But before we do that, we're just going to add these teeth in here. So let's go ahead and make some little sharp teeth. And we'll put one right here. Now let's go ahead and make the mouth part. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to bring it back to here. Then we'll bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line out to here, and we're going to curve it back for the lip. I'm going to bring a little line down here. Then right inside of here, I'm going to put some teeth. So I'm going to make a bigger tooth right here, and then some smaller sharp teeth. And then we'll do a few smaller ones down here. With a little curved line for the tongue. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make some kind of like pointed little lines here to make it look like there's fur. I'm going to bring this line curve and then bring it down. And I'm going to bring this line down to here. And we're going to make some little points and everything. Then I'm going to make some little points coming down here for like a beard. And then I'm going to bring this up. And we're going to bring these points all the way up to about here. Now up here I'm going to draw the ear. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, kind of to a point. We're going to go down and then bring it up here. And we're going to connect it here. And then we'll add a little curved line here for like the inside detail, a little bump there. A little line down. Next I'm going to make some little points that come down. And we're going to go right to about here. Then I'm going to add another little row of kind of points back here to make it look like it's extra furry. Now I want to come in here and add some details. So one of the things I'm going to add is right inside of here, I'm going to make some kind of long broken lines for like some details on the face. I want to make some little broken lines kind of coming right around the mouth here. Another little line or two underneath here. We'll do a little broken line or two right here. And then I'm going to add a few little extra lines kind of right around the eyes here. I'm going to make some more little points that come up to here. And then I'm going to make a few little extra lines on here for like wrinkles on top of the head. Now on the skull here, I'm going to come in here and add some little broken lines in some different spots here. And this will just kind of give it a little bit of texture and detail. Put some little lines in here. And I'm just going to put some of these little lines all around some spots, maybe some back here on these spikes. I'm going to add some extra little long lines over here where the fur is. This is just going to kind of help it look a lot furrier. And I'm going to put some here. Now I'm going to make some kind of long lines over here for some fur as well. And there you go, there is the face of the new Kaiju Predator from the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie. Now we're not 100% sure what this is going to look like, so this could change, might not even be the bad guy, but just a fun little drawing to kind of get you guys excited for the new movie that'll eventually be coming out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.